Okay, welcome back. We're going to find the area of this regular hexagon. The facts that you actually need to know before we get started on that is you need to remember SOHCAHTOA. You need to remember that there's 360 degrees in a circle. And you also need to know the formula for the area of a triangle, which is 1/2 base times height. So those are the 3 facts you need in order to do this, because hexagon we do not have listed on our formula sheet. So it says, find the area of the regular hexagon with side length 10. So I'm going to put a 10, and every side is 10. If it is regular, like it says here, every side is 10. I'm going to put a dot in the center and divide it into 6 equal triangles. The formula again for the triangle is 1/2 base times height, and I know the base of all the triangles is 10. So I pretty much have a good bit of the information already. I just need the height. This is where it gets a little tricky. Well, you know that there's 360 degrees in a circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way around. There are 6 angles that make up that circle because it's a hexagon. If I take 360 and divide it by 6, I get 60 degrees. However, I need to know the height. So I'm going to sketch the height in, and that whole thing at the top was 60, but I'm going to divide that in half because I'm only working with half of it and put 30. Because now I have a right triangle, and now I can go back to that stuff I learned earlier in the year. Well, from the center out, that whole side is 10, then half of it would be 5. Again, I want to find the height of that triangle. If this is 30, this side that's opposite from it is O for opposite, and this H is right next to it. That is your adjacent. So if an OO, we're going to use tangent. I'm going to write tan 30 equals 5 over H. I believe how we solved it is we cross multiplied to solve this. We put this over 1. 5 times 1 is 5. Tan 30 times H is tan 30 H. This is when you want to use your calculator, and again, make sure you are in degree mode. So I'm changing mine right now. So I will need to take 5 and divide it by the tan of 30 on both sides. And again, that 30 should be in parentheses. So 5 divided by tan 30. So I'm going to get the height to be 8.66. So I fill in 8.66 for the height, and I need to find all 6 triangles. So I'll do 1/2 times 10 times 8.66. One triangle is 43.3, and then I'll multiply that by 6. And when I do that, I get 259.8, and this is inches squared. And that's it.